Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here with another foundation Friday, and today we're gonna test the Ulta Beauty Youthful Glow Foundation Serum Drop. So if you want to see how this foundation works, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so we're back and time to talk about this foundation. So we're gonna talk about Miss Ulta Youthful Glow Foundation Serum Drop. That is a mouthful. There is, let's see, oh, so now there's a sale going on. Usually it's $16, now it's $8. I think that's what I pay for it though. 16 shades, so it's $16, 16 shades. That's cool. And the shade range is not that great. Like, look at all these light shades, and then these are the dark shades. So yeah, so let's read a little bit about this foundation. It says, skincare meets foundation. You heard that right. Ulta Beauty Collection's Youthful Glow Foundation Serum Drop uses rich botanicals and nourishing emollients to give the skin a natural, weightless looking complexion. So it says, benefits: silky formula contains skin nourishing ingredients for a glowy, luminous finish. Available in 16 shades with multiple undertones. Mess-free, squeezable bottle for easy control, light absorbable coverage, cruelty-free and clean. And then ingredient, it has marine botanicals and algae that helps promote fresh, glowy complexion. Coconut-based emollients help to hydrate and replenish skin moisture. And optical diffusion help to blur skin texture. That is a lot happening. So let's go ahead and prime the face. I'm using my Erborian primer. Put it here. Oh, let's put this over here. Nice. Where did I put this? Okay, so let's give it a little shake. This is quite watery. And let's see. Oh, it's a squeezy. I mean, they did say that. So you're just gonna press it like this. Okay, this feels like nothing. There is a little bit of a smell. Oh my god, I like this. So this is very light coverage. I don't know. I can kind of see the dew. I don't think this would apply good with a sponge. Like, it's so light coverage, the sponge would eat it up. I think this is a good match. So this has foundation and this has none. The coverage is pretty light. See, this is a good match though. What shade is this? 10 olive. I mean, maybe this. So I can kind of see, oh god, the dew now. So there definitely is a smell. Man, but there's not any real coverage. I like how it feels though. So let's do a little bit more. They say it can be built up. Let's not go too crazy though, because this is, I don't know, it feels almost greasy but light. I don't know, we'll see. Like, I feel like it just glides on the skin. I do see the glow. Oh god. So I do see the glow now, which I feel like this is quite watery. I don't know. I'm trying to find a concealer. Let's use this. This is from ABH. I don't know. I'm kind of on the fence. It's a good shade match though. Like that's good, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Let's not knock it yet. Let's give it a little chance. See, like I'm already creasing right here. This is not gonna end well for all parties involved. So let's blend my concealer. I don't know. I don't know how this is gonna end up looking. Tap. So I like how everything is laying on here, but we'll see how this like lasts, because this is very dewy. I feel like I have to go heavy with my powder because this thing is greasy. It feels greasy, like I don't know. So this foundation is very light, but I expect this because this is a serum foundation, so it's gonna be pretty light. Okay, so this is how everything is laying. I think everything is looking good. So oh god, so I'm gonna do the usual 2 check-ins, and at the end of the night I will give you my final thoughts on if this foundation is a yay or a nay. So see you guys later. So I'm doing my first check-in. Oh my god, it's so loud over here, but look at this painting though, it's so pretty. So yes, I'm doing my first check-in. Everything looks amazing. So my face still feels pretty matte, so everything still looks great. I don't see any kind of like separation, but so for now I'll be wearing this foundation for about 2 hours. So everything is still, I guess, fine. Let's see what's gonna happen when, you know, it's been 2 or 3, maybe 5, 6 hours, you know, because I'm ready to party now. I'm not partying, but yeah, everything is still looking good. It's still. But I finished recording. I changed my. No, I actually just added a shirt because I had an undershirt, and then, but yeah, everything still looks good. So yeah. So this is my, as I said, this is my first check-in. Everything still looks good. I will give you guys one more check-in and my final thoughts at the end of the night. So see you guys later. Hi guys, so I'm doing my other check-in. I think my face is starting to look a little bit sweaty, but nothing crazy. Still looking, you know, decent. So by now I'll be wearing this foundation for about 4 hours maybe, and everything is still looking good. I think I have a little separation like right here above my nose, but nothing crazy. So yeah, just, you know, everything is still looking just pretty matte. But I did go kind of heavy with my powder, so that could be why, you know, it looks like this. But because that foundation, when I put it on, was very greasy. Like, look at this, I burned my head right here. But you know, that's beside the point. Cut that highlighter. But yeah, so that's my second check-in. no more check-ins for the end of the night, or no more check-in, but I will give you guys my final thoughts at the end of the night on if this foundation works or not. But look at this picture though, this is so pretty. But see you guys later. We're back and time to talk about this foundation. So where did I put the foundation? You know, I'm always losing the oh, right here. We found it. So it is the Youthful Glow Foundation Serum Drops. Okay, that foundation is usually $16. When I got it, it was $8, and now it's still on sale for $8. They have 16 shades. So I'm guessing the shade range is not crazy, it's not terrible because of what it is. It's not actually a foundation, it's a serum, kind of a hybrid foundation, if you want to call it that. But when I first put it on my face, it was pretty shiny. So I don't know if you have really oily skin, like how that would end up, like, working for you. You may have to kind of go heavy on a matte primer. I did use a matte primer. I used my Erborian primer, which is extra matte, so that's pretty matte. And after I put the foundation on, I had to go kind of ham with like powder because it just looked like kind of greasy. It felt Vaseline-y kind of, but after I put the powder on there, it looks fine. So now I feel like I have a little shine apart from, look at this here, just falling up, apart from like my regular, but it's not crazy, like it's not bad, so like I'm just like really greasy. And by now I've been wearing this foundation I think for maybe 5 hours about, so it's not crazy. I think it's still pretty matte. I'm shiny right here, but I have my highlighter right there, so I think when I was putting the foundation on, it felt so light. I may have gone a little bit too heavy, but I tried adding more on since they say it's buildable. So I'm like, oh, okay, buildable, I can put more. But I think I went a little bit too crazy with the more. So yeah, I think if you get this foundation, kind of go with like a light hand. Don't go as crazy as I did. But yeah. But for an everyday foundation or a daytime foundation where you're not trying to wear anything like crazy or just like a lot of stuff on your face, I think this is a really good foundation. Look at the eye makeup look though. I know this is not about the eye makeup, but it is about the foundation. So yeah. So would I recommend this foundation? Absolutely. Like it's $8 if you're gonna get it on sale, and it's really like a nice everyday foundation, and all my products lay on there really nice. So thumbs up for this foundation. So yeah, so that's it guys for this foundation Friday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.